Hi, my name is Drivdal and I am a researcher at the University of Bergen. Together with Professor Iran van der Sluis, I am responsible for the recipes case study on neonicotinoid insecticides. So neonics were introduced in Europe in the early 1990s. They were thought to provide cost-effective and highly targeted protection of crops against insect plagues. However, in the late 1990s, the first early warnings started to emerge that these insecticides did not only kill plague insects, as beekeepers reported that these pesticides had unintended effects on their honeybees. Since then, an increasing amount of research has studied the collateral damage of these pesticides on bees, other insects, and ecosystems. There are many scientific uncertainties that limit our understanding of these risks. There are knowledge gaps on residue levels, routes of exposure, and on the effects on pollinator behavior and navigation. In spite of these uncertainties, the irreversibility of a large-scale pollinator decline and its consequences for food production led policymakers to take precautionary action. The European Commission applied the Precautionary Principle in 2013 and 2018 to ban 3 of the most problematic neonics. These bans occurred in a context of big controversies, and agrochemical companies filed court cases against the European Commission's decision. So this case illustrates how controversies continue after precautionary measures are taken. The court case indicates some confusion between the precautionary principle and the prevention principle, and some different understandings of the role of impact assessment and proportionality when applying the precautionary principle. Our analysis also reveals that there are different interpretations on how precaution relates to innovation, mainly depending on how innovation is framed in relation to food production. For more information, you can download our case report from this website.